So Ross, one of the unique components that Isokern makes is their own proprietary DM54 chimney system. Can you tell us a little bit about it?
So the DM54 is made from the same organic raw pumice that we use to build the fireplace. It is a two-part chimney system that consists of a 14-inch inner liner with a 21.5-inch outer casing block. When we build the system, we always start with a starter flue directly on top of the firebox. What the starter flue does is offset the joint between the inner liner and the outer casing block as you go vertical. And that does two things. It ensures that you have lateral stability in the chimney system because the joints are offset. And if for any reason smoke ever escaped from the inner liner, it would have to get through the outer casing block as well, and that just doesn't happen. So there is a male end and a female end to all these components, so they're actually interlocking on the job site. And as you go vertical, you'll see that there's a 6-inch separation between the outer casing block mortar joint and the inner liner. And just like for the fireboxes, we are going to use the Isokern MP50 mortar to assemble all of these components.
So we're just going to hit it around this tongue and groove system here?
That's correct. So the outer casing blocks get mortared together, the inner liners get mortared together, but the space between these is left open. So they're two separate stacks as they go vertical. One of the really convenient features to the system is our offset blocks. In this case, this 48-inch Magnum is in the same center line directly below another fireplace that's on the first floor of this home. So the offset blocks allow you to move the chimney system to the left, to the right, to the rear, any direction that you need to move in order to get around an obstacle above this fireplace. In this case, it's another Isokern firebox up top.
So not only do you have a lot of flexibility in the construction and the way you put together the fireplace, you also have that same flexibility in the chimney system itself.
Correct. And with the poured in place foundation, is really handy for the structural support for this downstairs fireplace. But as we move vertically through the house, this chimney system is actually zero clearance.
Wow.
So you can frame directly to it. In the good old days, a mason would come out and build a traditional masonry fireplace, then the rest of the home would be built around that.
Yeah.
We don't always have that luxury now, but we can run a chimney system with Isokern as the house is being framed, and the frame can be actually brought directly to the outer casing block of the DM54 system.
So that really talks to how efficient and safe that this chimney system is.
Absolutely. So that's why we bring pumice all the way from Iceland for the fireplaces and for the chimney system, because there's unparalleled refractory qualities of the pumice.